Proposed legislation could put an end to life sentences without parole for those under the age of 19.
Yeah, but not everyone is on board. Our Yasmin Ludi has the latest.
Alicia Dyer is running for Washtenaw County Sheriff, and she believes there needs to be a ban on life sentences for teens, while the Calhoun County prosecuting attorney feels that giving someone only 10 years for a heinous crime doesn't take into consideration the victim's family.
Victims have a right to be protected. Their families have a right to be protected. Their legacy has a right to be protected.
If Senate Bills 119 through 123 and House Bills 4160 through 4164 become law, anyone under the age of 19 who is convicted of first-degree murder will be given a sentence of no less than 10 years and a maximum sentence of no more than 60 years. The legislation will also make defendants eligible for parole after 10 years if the crime was committed before their 19th birthday.
The idea that you can allow somebody out of prison after 10 years after murdering somebody in cold blood such as that, it's not fair to victims, it's not fair to their families. This is a 17, 18, 19-year-old who's going to be back on the streets in 10 years.
Calhoun County prosecuting attorney David Gilbert says if you're 16 years old and you kill someone, you're old enough to know what you're doing and the outcome of your choice.
When people reach the point where they're going to commit first-degree murder, they've got a state of mind. And whatever their soul is, they're missing something.
But not everyone agrees. Alicia Dyer has been in law enforcement since 2011 and has worked closely with juvenile lifers. She says a mistake you make as a child should not be treated the same way as an adult.
I think that we have to understand that young people's brains are not fully developed, which means they are more impulsive. That doesn't mean that we shouldn't hold people accountable, but sentencing somebody at 16 to die in prison and expecting them to be the same person at age 50, at age 40, is just not in line with actual science.
Dyer says in her time of getting to know juvenile lifers, she's seen firsthand the changes they've made to be better.
I've gotten to know juvenile lifers that have gotten out because of the Supreme Court decision, and they are now impacting other young people and preventing future crimes from happening.
She says banning juvenile life without parole is pro-public safety.
When you have young people that are sentenced to die in that environment and they have nothing to lose, that is a dangerous situation for staff. That's a dangerous situation for other people that are incarcerated.
This legislation continues to create a mix of emotions, but right now there are many prosecuting attorneys across Michigan that are on the record opposing these bills, including Kalamazoo County's prosecuting attorney. Reporting in Calhoun County, Yasmin Ludi, Fox 17 News.